Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Nishan's Jugaad. Today I am going to introduce you to a brand new earphone from Florid brand. The cost of this earphone is just under the budget of rupees 1k. Recently I bought the wireless earphone of same Florid brand and unboxing video link is in the description below. The reason for purchasing both wireless and wired earphone was that I use wired earphone in the indoors and wireless earphone in the outdoors. Each one of you may have different opinions on using different kind of earphones. In my opinion, wireless earphone is beneficial while you are traveling or while you are at the gym, basically while you are moving. And wired earphone is beneficial when you are sleeping or sitting, basically when you are not moving much or doing any other activities. This way you can extend the lifespan of both the wired earphone and wireless earphone. Now let us see the unboxing video of wired earphone from Florid. Sound quality of both the wired earphone and wireless earphone of Florid are exceptionally good, and for your information, I am using the same wired earphone for making this video. You can see that the wire of this earphone is coated with extra plastic material in addition to the normal plastic. You can also observe that the backside of the earbuds is designed in a unique way with left and right indication mentioned on the back of the earbuds.